Let's be honest. Most young people today have no clue where their money goes. One day you get paid, the next week you're broke again. Sound familiar? If you're Gen Z, this is your reality. Because no one taught you how to manage money. But today, I'm going to change that. We'll break down the 50-30-20 rule. A simple system to budget your money without spreadsheets, without stress, and without giving up everything you love. And trust me, if you stick with this, you'll never look at your money the same way again. So let's dive in. First, what exactly is the 50-30-20 rule? It's a budgeting method that splits your income into 3 categories. 50% goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% goes to savings and debt repayment. Sounds simple, right? But here's why it's so powerful. It forces you to control your money instead of letting your money control you. Let's break it down. Needs are the basics. Rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, health insurance. If it's essential for survival, it goes in the 50% bucket. Now here's the mistake Gen Z often makes. They treat wants as needs. That new iPhone? Not a need. Starbucks every day? Not a need. Netflix, Uber Eats, gym memberships, these are wants. That's your 30%. The fun stuff, the lifestyle choices, the things that make life enjoyable, but that you could live without if you had to. Finally, the 20%. This is your future. Savings, investments, emergency fund, paying off debt. Here's the rule. Always pay this 20% first. Before you touch your wants. Before you upgrade your lifestyle. Because this 20% is what separates broke from wealthy. Now let's see a real-world example. Say you earn $2,000 a month. According to the 50-30-20 rule, $1,000 goes to needs, $600 goes to wants, $400 goes to savings and debt. Simple, clear, easy to follow. But here's where most people mess up. They flip the numbers. They spend 50% on wants, 30% on needs, and maybe, if anything's left, a tiny bit on savings. That's why so many young adults feel stuck, always working, never moving forward. If you want to break the cycle, you need discipline. And here's the truth. At first, this rule might feel restrictive. You'll think, but I deserve to enjoy my money. And you do. But ask yourself, do you want quick pleasure today or freedom tomorrow? Here's a powerful tip. Automate your 20%. Set up automatic transfer so you never even see that money. You'll be surprised how fast it grows. When I first started, I thought saving $100 a month was nothing. But a year later, I had fallen $200. 3 years later, I had thousands. It's not magic. It's consistency. And let me tell you, the feeling of seeing your savings grow is far better than any new phone or pair of sneakers. Now I know what you're thinking. What if I can't stick to 50-30-20? That's okay. Adjust it. If your rent is high, maybe you go 60-20-20 or 70-20-10. The point isn't perfection. The point is to be intentional, to know where your money is going instead of wondering why it's gone. Quick recap. The 50-30-20 rule means 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings and debt. Start small. Track it for 1 month. See how much control you suddenly have. Gen Z has an advantage. You're young. Time is on your side. Most people figure this out at 40. You can master it in your 20s. So here's the challenge. After this video, write down your monthly income. Split it into the 50-30-20 buckets. And commit to sticking with it for 30 days. Your future self will thank you. If this helped, don't stop here. Watch my video. Pay yourself first. The rule that changed my finances. It's the secret that helped me grow my money faster than I thought possible. Remember, the difference between broke and wealthy isn't how much you earn. It's how you manage what you have. And with the 50-30-20 rule, you've just taken the first step to financial freedom.